Alright, YouTubes. Here's that core engine in the bus I was talking about. There's the bus. And don't worry, it's actually on jack stands. But, good news. Oh, let me climb up in here. 5.9 Cummins. You know, all that good hibbity hooblah. The solenoid housing was shattered off of the starter when I hooked the batteries up. So it tried to weld itself back together. That made it interesting. However, got the Lone Wolf 3000, as Derek from Vice Grip Garage would say. I think she'll be a good runner. Now just to dig it out of the hole that it's in. Yeah, that's going to be the interesting part. Anyways, I'll keep you posted.